ng mga silver bass. Ito fishing rod ni Superiman ito.
That's my fish. I'm eating a popsicle.
Superiman fishing rod. Yun! Dagat na yun. Hindi kaya. Okay? Pagka nag-move siya, it means there are fish, okay? Yun. Ayos. Isa na kami. Puling. Yeah? Go, reel the rod. Go get some fish, man. Go get some fish. Fish. Come on. Here. Almost. Oh, here you go. Look at that. There are fish. Mama, help him. Wow, good boy. Hold on. O yan, oh. Oh, may nahuli na si Iman. 1-0. Alright. Wow. Good boy. Naglenga na gala lamusan. Yeah? Wow. Yeah, that's a big fish.
Baka makawala. Ay, na ano? Get stuck. That is going there.
Wow.
So that's your?
That's my second fish. Guys,
Wow.
I want to tell you what.
Roll the reel.
Hi guys.
Ito, pangalawang fish na ni Iman.
Yeah, I got a second fish so quick.
Wow. This is Iman's second fish. Picture.
I got a second fish. Oh,
Second fish, good job. So, galing mo mag-fishing Fishing rod ka na talaga Oh. Muna fishing ni Balmuluan alayin ka na. Good boy. Let's put in the water. Para mamaya fresh pa siya.
Iman, no?
Hinihintay namin kumagat yung isda. Nakadalawa na kami ni Iman. Oh, Iman, it's moving. This rod. Nakuha namin sir. Oh, good job. I like it. Oh, ayan. Roll it. Good boy. Ayan. May nakuha na naman si Super Iman. Nalay ngag-fishing ngayon. Yeah. Yun. There's a fish, Iman. There is definitely. It's pulling. Oh, show it to me. Come on. Ayan, yung line niya, oh. Go. Yun. Oh, uy. Marigrigatan na. Go get it. Uy, nagdakkelan. Wow. Oh. Ayun na nanisira niya. Wow, nagdakkelan siya. That's a big one. Nice. Perfect size.
If they go right here, they can be free.
Yeah. Nakatatlo na
But
si Sir.
they're not smart enough to think of that.
Oh. Because they're hungry, they wanna eat the small fish. Right?
Yeah, because it's like lunch.
Yeah, they're lunch right now.
It's lunch right now.
This one moving again, Iman. Pull the blue one. Nalengag fishing. Okay. Do it. Pull. Pull. Good job. I like it. Huh? How is it? Huh? Huh? Ano? It's moving? No. Oh.
Wait, let me see.
Yeah. Go. It might. It
Oh
might.
yeah, it's moving a lot.
It's moving a lot? Yeah? Wow. Good boy. Naglenga na gala lamusan. Yeah? Wow.
It is a big
Yeah, that's a big fish.
Ayan o, gumagalaw itong pan. Isa. Isa mo, ay. Yung na naman.
Pagka gumalaw, you pull. Okay. Pull. Yan. That's good. Very good. Perfect. I like it. Huh?
Wait.
I like it.
This so
Huh?
hard.
That's so hard? Oh, you mean that is big? That's super big, I think. Huh? Ayun, malapit na.
Bunch.
I think so, like a monster. Ayun, oh. Oh, it's go there. Pull. Wow. Good boy. Wow. Huh? Roll it. Wow. Dito tayo, pipicture tayo sa may tubig. Come on. Here. Come on. Dito tayo. Picture tayo dalawa. Wow, rilag bayok-yok di kuhan eh. Rilag bayok-yok di na alaming alaman. Iman.
Hi.
Say cheese.
Hi guys.
Mhm.
I got the third one eating some chips.
Taga-fishing ah. Ayan ah, nahuli ni Iman niya.
Am I feeding my chip?
Yeah. Ayos. Fisherman na ako. Walang naglumas di panulong ko. Ha?
Go count your fish. Me?
One super big. Ha? Daingan, tata fisherman ko.
Leave me.
Ha? Oh. Okay, roll it. Yeah. Ah, malaki ito. Dakalato. Man. Keep rolling. Ah, dakalato. This one is big.
Hi guys. So I tried to pull it, and that's my fishing rod, and I tried to pull it, and it was very hard.
Yeah, it's too big.
Taktalag pa siya niya.
Let's see how big it is.
Yeah.
Go there.
It's like super hard.
Oh, oops. Pasuga, taktal. Taktal. This one is heavyweight. Look at that. Nagtakilan.
Not that fish, and I need a help because, like,
Isu mo lang mati na maguyod ah. Ne, nagtakil na eh, mati na maguyod. Ay, nagato karne na ato yan dyan. Nagimas nga ipis bulato yan. Ah, picture. Ivan, come in. Come on, support Ivan. It's gone? No, it's coming.
Grab
Just
it.
roll it. Huh? John? Let me see. the, yan. Okay. So we'll catch it, okay?
Come here.
Meron nga. Meron. Wow, good boy. Another one.
Ay! Ay!
Look at that. Naglay nga goyo dahil.
For how many mo na yan?
9.
9.
Ika natin. Nagatuti nagoy di supuriman na niyo. Nagtag-sailing Joe. Yeah. 9. Ika 9 already. Isublita jitan mo na. Look at that, nagtag-sailing.
10. Let's go for
What do you think? It's heavy? It's pulling?
it is pulling.
It's pulling daw ano?
But it's pulling and not pulling at the same time.
Yeah. Kumatayo ka ba si Tata Malam mo buso na?
Come to me. The
Yeah.
cat went away. The cat went away.
Yeah. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, you went there. Right? Wow.
So, but that's 10 na mo na?
Wow, look at that.
It's big, ano?
You got your 10.
It got a boo-boo there.
Yeah.
It got a boo-boo there. Oh, yeah.
Hold on, you move it now.
Yep.
Oh, you got mine.
First catch today.
This is my happy day. Look at that.
So, Mommy,
Nagdakkel
that's his
and
fish.
Joe.
That's his fish.
Nagdakkel nga lang mo
That's
isan.
pretty. That's
Huh?
pretty small.
Wow.
What's this? Wait, we can make that. We can put that inside.
Yun, ha? Ika rin?
Oh, yeah.
Ika one?
It's moving when
Is heavy? I think so, yeah. Baybayok-yok. Yeah.
maybe I catch a small fish.
No, that's heavy. That's big. I think so. I'm gonna get a monster fish before we go home, okay? I got nothing. You all
You got
all
nothing,
yours.
And
Yeah.
then you got a small fish.
I know. Wala pa akong nahuli. Siwan lang nakahuli. Kinakon daw di makawala.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh? How heavy is it? Huh? Paklato yan.
Hi guys, I caught a big fish.
Tawag niya. Kahoy. Hindi mo karkaraw.
Kahoy nga.
Hi guys.
This is big.
Well,
This is
I
very big.
tried to do it, but I can't do it, so my dad's doing it. I got a big fish, a bunch of fish.
Sa lahat.
Nasaan na?
May.
Nasaan? Let's see.
Hindi na maghuyog ni Manalo.
Nasaan na? Ay, ayun.
Tuwada siguro ato. Tuwada. Dadutan na yun.
Ah, dalawa nga.
Two.
Tuwadawan isda.
Oh, there's two sana.
Natanggal yung isa.
My fish.
It's a double.
They got double, that's why it's heavy. Where's my...
That's a monster.
No, there's double, that's why it's heavy.
Hi guys. I got 9 fish.
Gawit ka man.
I got 9
Bakit
fish.
hindi kumatilang lusan eh?
I got 9 big fish.
Ano tinakalam nila oh?
Counted. It's not 9.
Yeah! Woo! Nagdagsunan! Ati tinalamin ni Iman na yun. Ayan.
And I got 1.
Ayan. Ang dami ti dadakkel.
2, 3,
Ati tidakkel may saan yun.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
O 9 lang.
1, 2,
One in the bucket.
10!
10.
Ate, ari yan. Basta 20 nga kilo. Nagdagsan, job. So, kakawi pulpit. They're heavy.
Bakit isa lang yung ano mo?
Bakit?
Yeah?
Yeah,
No, let's let them free.